Have you ever wondered how the simple sand under your feet transforms into the glass in your window? A seemingly ordinary material, sand, holds the secret to the creation of something as clear and smooth as glass. This isn't just any sand though, but a specific type known as silica sand. Silica sand is the unsung hero in the world of glassmaking. Its chemical composition, primarily silicon dioxide, is the key to molding the glass we use in our daily lives. Found in abundance across the globe, this type of sand is the glass industry's most prized ingredient. From the vast deserts to serene beaches, from the riverbeds to the quarries, silica sand is everywhere. It's a testament to the incredible transformation that simple, natural resources can undergo when subjected to human ingenuity and technology. The next time you peer through a window or drink from a glass bottle, remember its humble beginnings. Believe it or not, the clear, smooth glass starts its journey as rough, gritty sand. So how does this transformation occur? How does sand become glass? Well, the journey from sand to glass begins with a process called melting. This isn't your everyday kind of melting like ice cream on a hot summer day. No, this is a process that takes place under extreme heat. Imagine the heat of a roaring bonfire, then multiply that by about 10. That's roughly the temperature we're talking about here, around 1,700 degrees Celsius. This intense heat causes the sand to melt, transforming it from a solid state into a liquid one. But sand isn't the only player in this game. Other materials are added to the mix, each with a specific role to play. Take soda ash, for instance. This naturally occurring substance is added to the molten sand to lower its melting point. This means that less energy is needed to turn the sand into liquid, making the process more efficient. Next up is limestone. This rock is not only abundant and easy to access, but it also serves a very important purpose in the glass-making process. When added to the mix, limestone makes the glass stronger and more durable. This is why glass can withstand the pressure of being filled with liquid or the impact of being dropped, without shattering into 1,000 pieces. These materials, sand, soda ash, and limestone, are all heated together, each contributing its own unique properties to the mix. The sand provides the silica, the main building block of glass. The soda ash lowers the melting point, making the process more efficient. And the limestone adds durability, ensuring that the final product is tough and long-lasting. Once these materials are melted together, they form a molten mixture. This mixture is still far from the clear, shiny glass we're familiar with. But it's the first step in a fascinating transformation. It's the raw material, ready to be shaped, cooled, and polished into the glass that we use in our everyday lives. Once these materials are melted together, we're left with a molten mixture, ready to be shaped into glass. Now that we have our molten mixture, how do we get it to look like the glass we're familiar with? Well, the magic lies in a process known as floating. This transformation begins by pouring our molten mixture onto a bed of molten tin. You heard right, molten tin. This might sound like a scene from a sci-fi movie, but it's all part of the fascinating world of glass making. The molten mixture, lighter than the tin, floats on top of it, spreading out evenly to form a flat surface. It's a bit like oil floating on water, but here we're dealing with temperatures over 1,000 degrees Celsius. You wouldn't want to dip your toes in that. As the molten glass floats, it cools down gradually, solidifying into a sheet. This sheet is not yet the glass we see in our windows or drink from, but it's getting there. The sheet is then slowly cooled in a process known as annealing, which removes any internal stresses and makes the glass stronger. Once the glass is fully cooled and hardened, it's ready for the final step: cutting. Large, diamond-tipped cutters are used to slice the glass into manageable sizes, ready for use in everything from skyscraper windows to smartphone screens. And there you have it, the sand beneath your feet transformed into the transparent glass we use every day. So let's take a moment to appreciate this remarkable transformation. It all starts with heating the sand, introducing other materials to the mix and melting them together. This blend undergoes a meticulous shaping process, and then it's all about cooling it down to form the final product. This simple yet intricate journey transforms a mere grain of sand into a practical, beautiful material. Next time you look through a window or drink from a glass, remember the journey it's been on. From a simple grain of sand to a practical, beautiful material, that's the magic of glass making.